Hello everyone, I'm Sophia. Welcome back to another exciting video. And today's video is about how to get longer lashes with coconut oil and lavender essential oil. I already have the mixture prepared, the coconut oil mixed with 2 to 4 drops of lavender oil. So, sometimes everyone wanted longer lashes, including me. So sometimes we have to use a mascara to get this, to get the look that we need in order to elevate our beauty. So this is another way that we can actually grow our lashes longer. And I am going to go ahead and apply this mixture onto my lashes. I've already have it prepared. So I'm going to apply. You could use a Q-tip or you could use your cotton pad. Do not allow the mixture to get into your eyes. If it does, flush with water immediately. So I'm just going to apply it onto the lashes from the root to the tip of the lashes. And I'm going to do it on the other eye. So I'm going to use the next part of this Q-tip. Dip the mixture into my thing here. And then I'm going to apply it to the next eye. This mixture can be used 3 times per week to get better results. And this will make your lashes get thicker and become longer. So I'm just going to allow the mixture to stay on my lashes for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going to wash with water. So see you in a bit. So I'm back. I already rinsed my face with soap and water to get rid of this mixture of my lashes. And I have just my lashes look a bit better than before. There's a few that's coming up here. So this mixture can be done, as I said before, 3 times per week to get better results. And I hope you try this mixture and tell me, and I would like your feedback. So for full preparation for this mixture, go onto my blog page at www.baggerbeautytips.de. So looking forward for another video. Until next, and I'm going to actually post my video on Facebook too as well. So I would appreciate if you like my video or share it, and also go onto my YouTube channel and like my video, and also subscribe so you can get alert for new and upcoming videos. Okay then, bye.